Hello, my beautiful friends. This is day 6. I'm like, what day is it? Of my spring cleansing that I am doing just to get a healthy kickstart for spring/summer. And I'm super excited that the 99 did decide to partner up with me. So every product that you see here today, I did purchase at the 99. And also, as a quick disclaimer, these juices and cleanses are really just meant to inspire you. If you are doing any type of diet or anything like that, I would definitely recommend to speak with your doctor for your specific needs. So with that, let's jump right into today's video and get started. So for this juicing, I am using 1 cucumber, 2 lemons, and 1 piece of ginger. So this one's pretty simple, and this will make about 2 cups of juicing. And this juicing specifically is known to promote hydration, aids in weight loss, helps the body remove waste. It also has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. So this is definitely a great juice. And I know a lot of you have been asking me, how do I feel? Do I feel any different? And to be honest with you guys, I really do. I've been keep staying more hydrated. I feel more alert, and just overall, I feel like my stomach has definitely feel less bloated. So this is obviously a combination of 5 different drinks, but I definitely do feel healthier. I do say that. Maybe it's just a feeling, but I definitely do feel a lot healthier. And I am really excited to try this one today. I really personally do like cucumbers, so let's see how this is going to turn out. I usually always like to add in a little bit of ice into my drink just to keep it a little bit colder. So let's see how this one tastes. Okay, so it's a little bitter. I'm not gonna lie, it's a little sour, but it's still good. I know that it has a lot of healthy properties, so I'm definitely going to finish this one up, and I'm gonna excited. And I wanted to let you guys know I've also been taking these golly pills that I found gummies at the 99 for $2.99. So this was definitely a great deal. And I've been staying very hydrated with my water bottle, which I did purchase from $1.99 as well at the 99. So I've been drinking 2 of these a day. So I've been staying healthy. So if you guys want to get healthy, definitely check out your local 99 because they have tons of other stuff coming in, including workout gear marked down to 99 cents right now. So see you guys on the next one. Ciao.